southwest winds around 5 miles an hour. For Thursday night, mainly clear. Lows in the mid-50s. South winds around 5 miles an hour. For Friday, partly sunny in the morning, then becoming mostly cloudy. A chance of showers. Highs in the upper 70s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 40%. And for Friday night, showers and thunderstorms likely. Lows in the mid-60s. Chance of rain 70%. And now, taking a look at the extended forecast. For Saturday, partly cloudy. Showers likely in the morning, then a chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the lower 80s. Chance of rain 70%. For Saturday night.
Let's go. Come on. There we go.
You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio in Parker, Pennsylvania, on a frequency of 162.425 megahertz. The preceding tone signals were a test of the alarm device of this weather radio station. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers will be automatically activated by these storms to warn of impending hazards. Tests of these receivers are conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and 12 noon on each Wednesday. This radio station, WWG 53, serves the following counties in western and northwestern Pennsylvania: Armstrong, Beaver, Butler, Clarion, Crawford, Forest, Indiana, Jefferson, Lawrence, Mercer, and Venango. The National Weather Service now returns to the regular broadcast. The forecast for